How's it going, and welcome back. This is Willie from 5linksplaybook.com, and really quickly, let me give you an overview of our products and services. And of course, on the web page, you'll be able to find links to learn more and things like that. But I just finished writing a page, and I realized that this page is pretty long. Now, if you love to read, then this is a walk in the park for you. In fact, it's going to be small. But if you're a person that just likes to know the facts and things like that, although I did just get a facts in here, and you may not want to read all this. So what I did was I'm creating a short video for you. So 5links Energy is really simple. It is gas and electric, and in a lot of the states right now they're being deregulated. It gives you an opportunity to jump on board and position yourself in front of that web trend. This is probably the biggest web trend that we have happening right now. The 5links Velocity V2 is basically a tablet that allows you to build your business. So let's say you don't own a computer or a laptop, then you can use this and you can sign distributors up, you can do presentations, you can do everything right from that device. As well as we also market this to the average consumer, meaning so maybe somebody want to buy a tablet for their kids, or maybe they want to buy a tablet for themselves. This also is a great companion for that as well. With Text Alert is just basically mobile marketing. You can create QR codes where someone scan it. Once they scan it, it takes them to wherever you set up the Q card to do. Pretty cool technology. It basically, what it does is it allows churches, it allows business owners, organization, book clubs, I mean anybody you can think of that has a list of people that they need to get in contact with. It allows them to connect directly to that person at the push of a button without having to worry about them not checking their emails and things like this. Your cell phone is always with you, so that's what this does. It sends an SMS message. So very powerful. Global Links is a VoIP service, and 5links owns Global Links. In fact, 5links was built on Global Links at first. Before you see all these products and services that we have now, we were building 5links on Global Links alone. This is another web trend that's happening right before people's eyes, which is voice over internet protocol. What this simply means is that you get a dial tone using the internet versus the phone line. And a lot of people are already using it, but they just don't know it. For example, if you're using, let's say, Xfinity or Uverse or something like that, then 9 times out of 10, if you have phone service through those providers, then you're using what's called VoIP. Cool thing about VoIP is we're able to cut the cost by up to 50% in some cases. We also have GSP10, which allows us to see people through our computers as we make different phone calls and things like that. Really, really cool. Of course, the person has to have Global Links as well. So if you have business partners and things like that and they want to chat with you, or you want to do a 4-way with your top leaders and you want that interaction where you see them, they see you, that's a good way to go. Business to Elite is a really cool service. What it does is it's 4 services, well now 5 because we just added a new feature. The first service is the VIP discount. What VIP discount allows you to do is just simply go into your different towns. Let's say you want to take a trip. You can go on VIP discounts, type it in, and you'll get some type of discount. Or if you want to go out to a restaurant or something like that, you can type it in and it'll give you the different discounts that's available in that specific city or town, no matter where you are in the world. Pretty cool stuff. 5links Data Vault is exactly what it says it is, the 5links Data Vault. And I'm sorry because I did not tell you everything about Business Elite. The next one after Business Elite within the suite is VIP discount. After VIP discount, you got Web Connect. Web Connect allows you to share your screen much like I'm doing right now. You can do a presentation, you can do a training, you can do a mastermind, you can do a brainstorming. You can pretty much do whatever you want with it. Like, the sky's the limit. The next one that's inside of the same suite is called Tech Support. What Tech Support allows you to do is, if something went wrong with your laptop or computer or something like that, you can hop on the phone and they'll troubleshoot it for you. But the best part of all is, if you're not a computer savvy person, then you can do what's called remote access, where you give control of your computer to them. They'll control your mouse and everything else. So you can just really sit back and watch how they fix the problem, so you'll have a general idea of what to do next time. Pretty cool stuff. And of course, the last thing is text alert. We had to add text alert to the Business Elite because that really just puts it over the top. And the newest feature is Business Connect. So if you don't have, let's say, Microsoft Word or something like that, or a website builder, then you can use Business Connect to help you out with that. Now, on to 5links Data Vault. It's exactly what it says it is. It's basically servers, or the cloud as some people like to call it, that allows you to store your most valuable information out on the server. So if something was ever to happen to your computer or something like that, you don't have to worry about losing all your important documents, pictures, videos, songs, and anything else you may want to store. 5links Power Play is basically a speaker. I love this because I actually connect it to my iPhone all the time. So what it allows you to do is you can connect it to any device that's Bluetooth enabled or that uses a phone jack. So you can connect it using Bluetooth or the phone jack. The second thing it does, which is the main feature I like about it, is it also doubles as a charger. So if you're not around an outlet right now or something like that, you can use that speakerphone to charge your phone. And the best thing of all is it's a real battery and it's not going to be drained quickly. Very, very cool stuff. The next service we have is 5links Satellite TV. 5links Satellite TV, we market the 2 top carriers in the USA. And basically the only thing that comes down to it is what the person wants, what that particular customer wants. And from my experience, it really comes down to what promotions is going on at the time. And that really determines which way the customer go. Now, you have 5links Internet and fiber optic TV. 5links Internet is really simple. That's based on the location that you do the search in. So let's say if a person is in Connecticut, then the internet service providers are going to be different from a person that's, let's say, in Washington, D.C. or Chicago or something like that. So it's all based around the locations and the providers in their specific town. They will be able to see the different deals in comparison, so they'll be able to see that they're getting the deal. Fiber TV is based off the new technology of fiber optics, which basically, I ain't gonna confuse you, it just simply means you get a better quality of a picture, as well as you get to do streaming to different devices such as your computer, your tablet, your iOS devices, your Android devices, basically anything that can get an internet connection. It also allows you to pick up DVR if you want it. You get widgets for keeping up to date with your weather, social media, and things like that. When we scroll down, we have these, which is 5links payment solution. This basically just allows you to accept credit cards, major credit cards and debit cards, and really right now with everybody not really carrying cash no more, I mean even with prepaid cards, whether they have a real card or they have a prepaid card, a lot of people are really switching over. So if it's a small business owner out there that you walk in there and they don't have a credit card machine, then basically that's like financial suicide for the business, because that's where everything is going, and that's another one of the rough trims. The next thing is 5links Mobile. Really, the good thing I like about 5links Mobile is you don't have to force a person to be on contract. If they want to be on contract, great. But you now can market all the top carriers inside of prepaid as well as contract. Meaning, if you want to market one of the big name carriers, you don't have to worry about that person having to be on a contract if they don't want it. Now you can say you can be on prepaid or just pay as you go. Pretty cool stuff. Next one is we have the 5links security system, and you already know what the security system is. The only thing that you may not know about this one is you don't need a dial tone to get it to work. You can have it connected directly from your internet, which works brilliantly. It's a lot cheaper, it's better, and it's the same one as the White House. So pretty cool stuff. 5links ID Guard is exactly what it says it is. It basically just protects your identity. If something was to happen to your identity, then you wouldn't have to worry about the hassle of going from company to company to get it fixed. 5links ID Guard would take care of all of that for you, as well as they have you covered up to a certain amount of money depending upon which one you pick. So that's a quick snapshot of all the products and services. I would highly suggest you still read this page. I know it's a little long, but by all means, if you're going to actually be building a business around 5links, then there's some things you're going to want to know that's going to be covered in this page. So highly recommend you continue to read on. With that said, this is Willie from 5links Playbook saying I'll talk to you later.